Hey, hi guys, this is Ayappa, and today my Skoda Rapid has a problem, that is with the ABS. So what is happening? I get the ABS warning light over there, and it comes at times, not every time, but while driving I can get to see like many symptoms that my car is showing. So even just before moving the car, I could find that this door gets automatically locked, and that is a ABS issue. Why that is happening? So in this case, I'm not supposed to leave the key inside the car and go out even for a second. The door can get locked automatically. And the second symptom what I see is that while driving at a normal pace, you can feel there is a lag in the power. So when I say there is a lag in the power, it's something like the vehicle is actually trying to switch off and switch on the engine automatically multiple times. And at times I can also feel greater jitter on the brake pedal. So the brake pedal tries to bounce back, and also it happens with the sound, with a thud kind of a sound. So it's all because of the ABS. And I just checked it on the VCDS which my friend had, and I got to know that it is the issue with the front left ABS sensor. So what I've done, I got a ABS sensor from aftermarket. This cost me around 1080 bucks, 1080, and I will be showing you how to replace this on my vehicle. Okay, let's go into work. Step number 1, remove the lug nut cap using the plucker. This is the lug nuts that's been removed. I have now loosened the bolt, all the 5 lug nuts by quarter of a circle. Now next I will be putting the jack and then removing the rest of the bolt, and let me just remove the tire as well. I have removed all the 5 lug nuts, and the tire has been removed and kept under the vehicle. That is just for the safety sake, so that in case the vehicle trips, it is safe enough to work under this. And where is the ABS sensor? So this is the ABS sensor that we are supposed to remove. So you see a Allen key nut over here. This is a 5 mm, and let me just try to remove that. So this particular tool has a 5 mm Allen key. I'm using this to remove this, and even before removing this, you can see it is dusty, right? So you'll have to use WD-40 spray. That's this one. Then wait for 10 minutes and then it's gonna be loose. Let's leave it for 5-10 minutes now. So once the WD-40 is put, this is easy enough to get this removed. Let me just remove it with my hand. Yeah, there it goes. And wiggle this around. And try to lift it. Yeah, there it comes. So this had been cleaned some time back, but still this doesn't work. So we'll have to get this replaced for now. Okay, sorry for the camera angle. So what I was saying, this was actually cleaned some time back, and I will have to get this replaced now. Seems like a faulty ABS sensor. Of course you can't identify it by seeing it physically. So while reading the VCDS sensor error, it said this sensor has to be replaced, or this was a faulty part. And now the next task is to get this removed. So what you are supposed to do you see this black color thing inside? I'm not sure if it's visible on the camera, the dusty part. So with the screwdriver you will have to press that out, and then you can remove this easily. Let me try to show you. Sorry guys, I don't have a cameraman now, so I'm doing it all alone, so you might not find it that very soothing seeing this video. Yeah, so this is the place where you insert it. Okay, put it in, press it. Yeah, it's unlocked. Then remove this off. That's how it's done. So this is a faulty ABS sensor which I'll be replacing it with a new one. So these are the sensors. This one on my left is the faulty sensor, and this one is a new sensor. So seems like both comes from the same company, ATO, I think so. Though the serial number is kind of similar. Yeah, it is same. Serial number is same. That starts with PA66, and it's from the same company, ATO. So I just plugged in the new ABS sensor. So press it inside as much as possible so that it makes a click sound, the locking sound, and try to remove it. And if you find it's firm enough, then yeah, we are good with it. Now let me try to do vacuum on this so that we try to get some dust, if at all anything. So I'm trying to use a vacuum to vacuum any dust outside from the fluid. Don't try to use a blower. So vacuum has been done properly, and next is fitting. So we'll be fitting this properly inside. Yeah, there it goes. And so let's now tight it. So finally we have got this Allen key tightened. Perfect. Now let's fit the tire back into position. Now that we have also put on the wheels as well, let's test trial run, and we'll see if the ABS light is switching on again or not. And guys, let me just start the vehicle and show you. And here you see no ABS warning light glowing, and that's how you replace a sensor for ABS. And if you are new to my channel, please do mind to hit the subscribe button so that you get further updates on technical things like this. Thank you.